Good morning everyone and welcome on board day 39. If you're new around here, my name is Jill and I film every single day of my life. Today we have hit day 39 of doing that. We started this channel at the start of December. The current goal is to get to 50 uploads in a row. So if you are new around here and you liked today's video, come back tomorrow, you might like that one too. Probably won't, but might do. Anyway, if you've been here before, you'll know that I've been poorly for like the past week or something. I was coughing again last night, like loads, but I actually think I feel a bit better. So I'm going to continue with my plan that I had yesterday, that is to go climbing. But before we do that, I'm going to need some food. So we're going to have food in the form of a bacon sandwich. Are you being serious? Helena, if you're watching this, I'm talking to you here and you here only. Why would you leave this much juice? This isn't going to wet my cockles. I was trying to think of other words for wet, but I'm running dry. Does anyone else do this? Literally everything I own I seem to decant into like other vessels. So whilst that's cooking, let's go get ready. Okay, that's me sorted, all ready. I'm gonna eat this, I'm gonna drink all of this, and then let you off, eh? I'm probably about to absolutely sprint to my car because it is absolutely freezing today. Like so cold. So cold. Like I don't know what it is. As soon as it gets to January, it just like the temperature drops so much. See you when we get there. Okay. First things first. You gotta stretch. Or stretch out. Now we're gonna start with a thing that's kind of like almost like a dot-to-dot puzzle, but in climbing terms, just to like warm yourself up. And that's basically this. So you'll start. So I'm gonna do the yellow ones. So you start with 1, and then you'll go 2, 3, and that's kind of where your hands go. Your feet will obviously stick with the yellows down here, but go 1, 2, 3, and then you'll go all the way across. It is so cold today. Like, it's freezing today. Now I'm gonna plug these in and see how this goes. So now you should hopefully be able to hear my internal monologue of doing this. So 1, and you've got to start with your feet on as well before you can like go. On, can go. Oh, that's quite a big stretch. Oh. 9. Oh, 12's really high. 12's this one. Oh. 14. I thought I was going to fall there. Hips in. 16. Oh, 18, that's sketch. 20. 21. Oh, okay. And then this is sort of the next one. Gosh, that's them type of holds there are like really forearmy. Oh yeah, I can really feel it there today. But now we move on to the next section. Get so warm doing this, man. Okay. Just kind of assessing the situation now as to like where my hands are going to be. So I'm probably going to left hand grab first. I'll show you guys. So be like, and then you'll match them ones there. Because it's got 2 numbers on that one. This bit of getting around this corner here, I think is actually going to be a little bit difficult for me. Because, a bit of a disclaimer here, guys. I'm not particularly the best climber. I just really enjoy it. It's good fun. It's really good for you as well. But by no means am I particularly like good. So I think this bit here is going to be quite a difficult one for me. Let's find out. Oh, this is gonna be hard, man. I don't know how I'm gonna get up there. Go on, go on. That's a big stretch, that. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna try and push up with my left. Go on, go on, go on. Yes. Go on. Yes. Oh. Go on. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, oh. Oh, no way. I shouldn't have went. I matched my right hand there on that 32. I shouldn't have matched. I should have went straight for the one underneath it. That's hard, man. Oh, my arms are burning. I was on 33 there when I fell, and the new segment starts at 37. So where is it? 34, 35. I don't know where 36 is. Oh, it's that one. Okay. So close. My arms. I pushed up on my left, didn't I, to get to that. That stretch there, that's a lot for me, that. And same as the right round the corner there, that's quite a big stretch, that. How did I do this? How did I do this? Oh my god, how did I do that? How did I do that? Is it on this left? Yes, go on. Right. How did I do that, man? Yes, come on. Right, yes. Right, come on, this is where I fell last time. So I got to the next segment there. But it looks like this next bit of yellow goes like on top of this little like outer pocket bit there. Like I thought this corner bit here was probably about out my depth. This bit here is definitely going to be out my depth. And give it a go though. My arms are on fire. I feel like, you know, when you wake up in the morning and you like try to open a bottle or something and you've got like silent grip. Do you know what I mean? Like silent strength. That's how this feels. Like I can't really properly grip. Tired muscle, man. Just gonna sit here for a second and check my phone and stuff, and then I'll try this bit. I didn't know what to do with my hands on that corner there. Let's have another go, and then I think I'm gonna go upstairs and try some proper climbs.
When I put it on my audience pass though, I don't warm up, I just can't. I was downstairs, I was like, no, it's cold. Come on.
I just can't grip that.
Do you need a brush?
No, it's me. It's a me problem. I think so, yeah.
Which one is it though? That one with
It's all of it, mate. It's what it is.
that one?
Yeah.
Very chunky.
I don't think it is chalky. I do think it's a me problem.
This is the difference maker, one spray. Weird, man. And my dad came over. Interesting vibe. What time was there? Is it a commitment thing?
I think it's a me problem, mate. It's because I look at it, right? And in my head, I know I can do it.
Yeah.
Right? But when it actually comes to doing it, I can't do it.
You try and find something that's like challenging, but doable.
Yeah.
Like, go try that 3 or 4 times. And then come back.
But What, you think I'd start like that?
Yes, you let them come under. Go for it.
Got these on. What's this type of wood called?
You can smaller if it's pocket.
Right.
I don't really know.
I don't like it either way. Really? Right foot there, left foot there. It's already a difficult start for me, mate. I'm not gonna lie. Right, and then one goes, yeah.
I didn't go under.
Which way is that?
Try to come on. And then when you go up, running on right there. I mean, if you can reach it, because if you can't, you're like 3-6 inches up.
Yeah.
So you definitely can do it, yeah, especially with the foot.
I was going to say if your foot was there.
Yeah. That's not easy. Well, I've seen. Oh, okay.
Is it soppy though? Nice. Nice, go on. You've got that. Nice.
Lovely, mate.
Right guys, as you can see, that's me home now. Today was actually a really interesting session. I don't know if you'd noticed there, but obviously I started alone and like I went there alone. And then by the end of it, I was in a group of about 6 people, just trying different things all together. So I didn't really film as much as I thought I was going to film. I don't know what happened. I just ended up making friends with these guys and we just like, they were really encouraging and really helpful and like really giving me like a load of advice that I really appreciate. Like it was really cool actually. I had a really good session. I'm feeling it now, like I've been there for 5 hours now. It's 5:20 now, so I need to edit yesterday's video and upload that as quickly as I can really. That was a really cool session. Like I say, I didn't film as much as I would have like initially wanted to. Like I thought I was going to go and then I was just going to do like a solo session and like talk to you guys and like show you guys. But yeah, I ended up just chilling with those guys and climbing with those guys and like I did some climbs there that I would have never done that without having like those guys there being like, oh, but do it this way, and then like show me. And there was a guy there who was like a similar kind of height to me, and he was like, right, well, if you can't do it like that way, which is try and do it this way, which is how I can do it. And it was a really cool session, guys. I'm really glad I went. I would have filmed myself as well at the end there, but then we actually all left together as well, and ended up giving one of the guys a lift home because he lives just down the road from me. Sorry, I still got back to home. Long story short, I'm home now, and I hope I got a little bit of footage there for you guys. It's piqued my interest again in climbing, that has. Like that session there really made me remember how fun it is and how much adrenaline you get from doing hard climbs. So yeah, I'm really glad I went. Really sorry about the lack of footage though. Gonna stop yapping now because it's, like I said, it's 5:20 and I have a video to edit, export and upload. And a thought to sort out, fucking hell. So, I'll see you once that video is edited, guys. Got so much to do, the grind don't stop. Vlog edited, uploaded. Well, actually it's processing. I think it's got about 10% into the processing. So I reckon that'll probably went up at like 7:30.
Nice.
I know, and it's not too late. I have been saying about 6:30, but it'll go up. It'll go up when it goes up. I aim for 6:30, but put it this way, right, guys? It'll never be earlier than 6:30. Right?
Nice.
Yeah. It'll be any time after then, probably. I think because obviously I've got a real job in it, like an actual job. Juggling the two is actually quite difficult, but I just had to press live. It would go up at 6 o'clock every single evening, but because I've actually like got to sit, edit it, and anyway, I enjoy it. I'm just moaning. I was gonna say as though video is all sorted now, so we can actually enjoy some tea. But tea,
Tomatoes.
that's it.
Dig in.
That's it. I'm making us some soup. So it's gonna be a tomato, red pepper, and garlic soup.
Delicious.
It looks like it's gonna slap actually. So I'll see you guys once I've
Souped.
the video is not up by 10:30.
10:30. Take 2.
It's not up by 7:30. It's 7:30 now, and I'm still looking at the potatoes.
Are you okay?
But look at this. Is that not beautiful? Obviously, I've kept the skin on in the garlic because it like roasts it nicer when it's in here. I could fucking easy.
Go on. Do it.
Because I need it for the dish, but I could.
God, you're gonna honk.
Oh, it's so good though. Roasted garlic is like next level, isn't it? And now, guys, I gotta use my new blender.
Am I still filming?
If you want to. Cooking with Jalaba.
Second channel.
I can't keep up with me first one. I'm gonna make a second one. Soup's really hard to gauge as well, isn't it, right? So this is 2 bags of tomatoes.
Is it?
2 bags of tomatoes and 1 red pepper, and then obviously 3 cloves of garlic, right? But it looks like it's not even gonna make that much soup. I mean, I guess we'll see, but
Yeah, we'll see. What it look like?
what looked like?
No one can know. Edit this out. Editor, don't put that in.
It's me. You're making too much work for the editor.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go on strike. It's not quite this. The pros won't be out here actually. Anyway, let's start this soup. We should put nuts in to thicken it up as well. Should I put some nuts in?
Oh yeah.
Garlic and chili mixed nuts. These are really good though.
Influence anyone to get them.
Yeah, really good. From Aldi, probably only a couple of quid. Clearly they're good. Gives it like a different texture almost for soup. Is that like a thicker soup? You like a thicker soup as well? don't
Yeah.
you? It looks a bit silly, but it makes a difference. But this is the first time I've used this, so let's... It doesn't look particularly amazing.
I think it looks really good.
But it is good though. And then with some just bog standard bread and butter. Get this though, right? I was doing the soup. It's nearly finished. She went, oh, should I do some bread? Should you do some bread? When was there an option to not have done bread? Should I do some bread?
Just
gonna have
wanted bread.
just basic soup, just soup by itself.
Yeah.
I'd be fucking famished. I'd be absolutely famished. Should I do some bread? Maybe. So now it's just soup and bread for tea, but I'm happy with that. I love a bit of soup. Yeah. That's actually how I feel about bread and butter with soup.
I thought you were going to say me.
Yeah, that as well. I would have felt more that way towards you had you have not even questioned whether there was going to be bread and butter involved in the soup.
Sometimes I just have soup. Raw. No bread.
That's crazy. I can't even fathom that. Unless it's a cup of soup. You know, they're like the mugshot type things. That's different. Because if you're having one of those, you're feeling lazy anyway, aren't you?
Yeah, they're not proper soup, really.
But I would probably still do a bit of bread and butter with them as well. I love bread and butter. Growing up, we used to have bread and butter sandwiches, but I don't think that was because it was nice. I think that's because we were poor. Or like Nutella sandwiches. I know there's people out there who grew up the same way as me who fucking love a bread and butter sandwich, right? Nothing in the middle, just bread and butter. Unbelievable, right? And a Nutella sandwich. Oh, anyway, guys, I'm going to finish off this food now. I'm going to jump in the shower and then I'm going to chill. So this will probably be the last clip of the evening. They're my socks, no?
Are they? I wondered whose these were.
They're my socks.
I thought they were either yours or my sister's.
Well,
I think they could be my sister's.
Well, I don't think they are, because I've got a pair like that and they're not in my drawer anymore.
That's strange.
Suspicious that, isn't it? Isn't that a bit strange?
Are you sure?
I'm 100% sure, because I've got them ones. I've got the nice ones with the strawberries on. I swear I've got another pair as well with like a flower on them. Have you got a black pair with a flower on them?
No, I just have these. I'm sure. I thought these were my sister's.
Unless we are born from the same mother. It's not your sister's. My socks.
I'll give them back.
Thanks, mate. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for me this evening. So I'll see you tomorrow. Back at work tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow for another work vlog.